Welcome to ACE Chemistry. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick tour of the course on D2L, as well as to go over some of the course expectations that you will need in order to get your ACE Chemistry credit. So, let's get started. When you log into D2L, click on the chemistry icon, and you will find your landing page for your chemistry course. On it, there's a newsfeed. Anything new that you might need to know, such as holidays or deadlines, will appear on the homepage of this course. You will also notice the classroom hours. During these hours, if you email me to request a test, ask a question, or want one-on-one help, you will get a relatively quick response. Outside those hours, you're welcome to email, but I will not get back to you until the next scheduled hour. Keep in mind, if I don't respond instantly, even during those posted hours, I'm likely addressing another student's request. The ACE Chemistry credit is made up of 7 compulsory units and 2 elective units that are picked from the choice of 3. Your tracking sheet, worksheets, and periodic table, you will find your online tracking sheet. This is an Excel document that you can use to keep track of what you've done, what you need to do next, and what your grades are. You can keep your grades on this spreadsheet and it will automatically calculate your running average for you as you work through the course. Typically, the chemistry course is made up of worksheets, tests, and labs. If we are still in remote learning, labs are going to be exempt because we don't have access to the materials that you would need in order to complete the activities. That being said, all of the concepts that you would normally learn during the labs are going to be covered in the lesson guide and workbook. Here's where you will find the worksheets. You may click on them and print them off, or some of them you can actually use the Word document, download it, and write right in the worksheet itself. When your worksheet is completed, you're going to email it to me through D2L as an attachment. You will also find the periodic table that you can download and print off as well, that will give you different information that you will need as you complete this course. Starting at Unit 1, and all of the other units as well, you will see that each unit has a lesson guide and a workbook. The lesson guide is going to give you the content that you need in order to complete the workbook. You may download it and print it off, or you can access it online. As you go through the lesson guide, you will see prompts to go to the exercises in your workbook. The workbook has practice questions that you can do to make sure that you understand the concepts. Make sure you are practicing correctly. Take the time to check the answers that are provided for you in the workbook. If there is any of these that you are struggling with, please reach out and ask for help before you request the test. You will also find different videos that help explain concepts that are discussed in the lesson. These are all optional, as all of the material is in the workbook and the lesson guide. However, they might give you a different way to look at things or a different way of presenting the material, sometimes really helps with understanding. When you have reviewed the material and you feel that you're ready for your test, email me through D2L requesting it. I will send you a copy of the test. You can print the test, manually complete it, and scan it back to me, or complete it by editing the document, saving it, and returning it. It's completely up to you how you will want to complete and return based on the equipment or technology that you have. Regardless of the format, it needs to be sent as one multiple-page document, not numerous documents, a single page at a time. Once I receive your work, I will mark it and send you an email stating your grade. Remember, this is a mastery-based course. This means that if you do not achieve a 70% on any of the worksheets or on the test, you will be required to complete a different version of the test or edit the worksheet for a mark of 70%, of course. Remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or message me on Teams. Talk to you soon.